So a renter just brought back the RV. It's now Monday morning. They got back late Sunday and said that there was no air coming out of the vents. So just did a quick check, and yeah, there's no air coming out of the vents. Now, the challenge is the RV has got another reservation starting tomorrow, which is Tuesday, for a week, and they're going to the south of the United States, to Tennessee, and it's going to be hot, so they got to have air conditioning in the cab. So I'm going to try to do some searches and see if I can find out what's going on. Tough thing is to try to get a mechanic out here to fix it. I might have to find a mobile mechanic to see if he can, fix it before tomorrow. Otherwise, I'm going to have to cancel the reservation potentially, and don't want to do that. So I'm going to see if I can figure this out and go from there. All right, so this thing's not blowing. Customer said it was not getting any air coming out, so I'm going to test it. I can hear it, but nothing's coming out of it. So I checked the blower motor, which is here. I took off this whole panel, and the blower motor is working fine. It's blowing. The air conditioning compressor is coming on, and there's air coming out of this area here. The only thing that I could come up with, it blows out of here and it won't go up into the vents up here. So just doing some quick research, a couple Google searches on YouTube, and it looks like maybe possibly this actuator might have failed, which is causing this door to shut and close and not allow the air to go through. So I'm going to try to investigate that, see if that could be the case. Looks like it's okay. And look at anything is broken. So I don't know. I'll have to test it some kind of way and see if this is not functioning correctly. So I can manually turn it. Just turning this. So I'm gonna see if that works. Turned it on. Blower motor's coming on. Air is coming out of here. Now I'm gonna twist this. See if this helps. The air is coming out now, but it's not real strong. All right, yeah, that's helping. Yeah, so it looks like it might just be a bad blend door actuator that failed. So I'm gonna head over to the Freightliner store that's close by, and I've called already. They got one in stock, so I'm gonna go over there and pick it up. It's about 20-30 minute drive from here. So that's one of the things that makes it kind of challenging sometimes, is getting the parts, fast enough to get them changed out, even when there's simple things like this. All right, got the new part. I'm gonna install it real quick here and see if this makes everything much better. All right, let's test it out. All right, we got some good airflow, and we got air conditioning. So that was it. Looks like it was just a bad actuator, and the air is flowing now fine. I got cold air, I got warm air. It's still not super strong, so I'll have to investigate more on that, but it's still working. So at least that, that'll take care of the issue for now. So anyway, hopefully that was helpful. We'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.